Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button right here. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, press the middle button to enter. Now, select the general settings option and press the middle button to enter. Here, scroll down and find the language option. Select it and then press the middle button to enter. Now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use, then select it, and once you select the language, press the middle button, then press the middle button to confirm, and the language should be applied. Like this. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.